Morning, everyone. Hope you're all having a spectacular morning so far. I'm going to do two videos today in my breaks. One, I'm having a bit of a black pill day today, so I sort of feel very sad. Once again, we've hit some major mandates across Australia, and the delightful humans in control, whoever they may be, are just ramping up big time. I have got so many clients who have been watching the data, the science from the start, who are being harangued, coerced, bullied, shamed, guilted, threatened into being coerced, that every day I'm needing to check in with my clients and see how they're doing, because it's just breaking my heart. And I am finding that there is absolutely a maximum amount of people who have had the jibby jab that I can see per day, because otherwise I get massive pain. So I'm going to be doing one about my black pill day. I'm going to be doing one about what I am taking and what I've been trialing in relation to help me get through this. Sorry about the washing machine. Through this, because of the transfaction that I'm absolutely feeling as a hands-on therapist. So I know that one will trigger a lot of people and make you hate me. That's fine, whatever. I don't care. I work hands-on. I know what I'm feeling in my own body. I know what I'm feeling in my own country, and I know what I am feeling with all of these mandates when we are supposedly a free country, which is, of course, a joke. I just never knew it before. Okay, see you later. Bye. Oh, by the way, one of the videos that I listened to this morning, well, I'm going to put it on both of my Facebook pages. I'm going to have a heading that just says Polly, and I'm going to put it in as a message underneath there. So feel free to go and check that out. Polly is amazing. Okay, take care. Bye.